As I mentioned in the previous video of the overview and the power of resources, one of the biggest benefits is just being able to simply add it to your courses, as well as maintaining the final copy and original copy in here. So what I mean by that is I can take something and I can move it to a course while maintaining that original copy right here. So and it's super easy, and what I mean by that is if I click on a folder of things, so if I go in here and let's say I want to take this Pear Deck folder. If I go to Edit, Add to Course, I will add it to my test course. And you will see from here I can have the options of adding all those things, or I can kind of pick and choose what I don't want or what I do want. So if I'm just going to hit Import, and it says my templates have been imported. If I want to choose another class, I can do that as well. But the nice thing is now when I go back to those courses, and I'm going to go to my Scholl test course, on the very bottom right here was the Pear Deck folder and all of the items inside of it. So that's the really nice thing, as well as from here then, if I'm a teacher or if you're having this in your faculty and staff group, I can simply unpublish certain things so that they're not viewable by the people who are enrolled in the class as students. So in this case, teachers wouldn't be enrolled in your class as students. They would not be able to see it. And you can see it's kind of grayed out. It is unpublished. So that's really nice thing is you can add a year's worth of content and only publish what you want at that time. So that's really easy. The other option is I can do it in reverse. And again, by good practice, you should always create it in resources and then carry it over. However, if I have something in here, let's say I want to save this sample assessment or this test, we'll do this one. If I click this gearbox, I can then save it to my resources. And then from here, just like I talked about as well, I'm choosing the collection. So automatically everyone has that home collection, but you can create other ones, or I can save it to those group resources or school resources. So I can do it both ways, create it in resources and push it to my class, or create it in my class and push it back over it. The only problem with this is if you do it this way, you may forget to copy it over to your resources. And it's never gone, but you just have to remember to retrieve it. The other nice thing is when I'm adding materials, I can also bring it in from resources. And then once I do that, you'll see I can go to that same file that I wanted to. Where's Pear Deck? Click it, import it. So there's 3 different ways that you can use that and add different things to your course. It's really easy and kind of intuitive.